तो क्लिनिकल से नॉन क्लिनिकल में वो भी जस्ट MBBS किया है, उन्होंने MD भी नहीं किया हुआ है ना.
My name is Pragya Mishra and I finished my MBBS from Mahadevappa Rampuri Medical College.
Dr. Lakshmi, how are you feeling today?
I'm good.
So tell me a little bit about how's it going?
I'm very much relieved.
Hi Shizan, how are you?
Yeah, good. Thank you.
Dr. Harsha Kumar.
This is Dr. Harsha Kumar. Let me introduce myself. This is Dr. Harsha Kumar. I did my MBBS from Georgia, DC.
Previous OVIA.
Yeah, OVIA MedSafe. When you got that, how was the interview there?
तो बेसिकली बहुत सारे लोग सोचते रहते हैं मन में, यार पता नहीं बिकॉज एनीवन जब एनरोल करता है किसी कोर्स में बहुत ज्यादा इंक्वायरी करते हैं, तो आपके मन में ऐसे क्या क्वेश्चंस थे बिफोर यू एनरोल्ड एकेडमिकली? अब कैसे पता लगा इस बारे में? या
I just wanted to know if this is gonna be useful in my life actually, and if it is gonna teach me anything as such, or am I just wasting my money? But when I spoke to the people, sales people from your team, her name was Shivangi something, and she actually helped me a lot. She guided me throughout the Shivali, sorry, I forgot the name. Yeah, she guided me correctly, and she actually told me all the benefits, and that made me see the positive side of this course, and therefore I took this, and I really loved it.
Tell me a little bit about when was the first time you got an opportunity from Academically?
Okay, so between the courses, when the course was going on itself, there were a lot of opportunities that came, and we were bilaterally trying to apply for the jobs and all. And I did get a couple of callbacks, and talks were happening, and then I landed the interview. That was before clearing, even clearing the course. So,
Yeah, so before, basically the design of the course is such that we don't wait for the course to finish.
Yes.
Because the recruitment happens randomly. It doesn't wait for anyone to finish your course. So that's why we start from the day one, and I'm very happy that you have been a beneficiary of this. I wanted to ask you, you have been in touch with many other people who are coming to Academically. Tell me that story. What is that? Someone from HR sales told me, and I was shocked. What is that?
The thing is that after, I think, getting placed and some wonderful videos academically put in all the social media, especially the one where you and Dr. Akram sir were presenting,
discussing.
And having, discussing. It was also a live video too. People are asking questions from there on LinkedIn. I think it boomed more in LinkedIn, and then slowly the YouTube and Instagram catched up. So people are approaching me, they're asking me, okay, how did it? How everyone has this question that how was the course? Because some candidates or students I had a word with, they said, I did some sort of a short diploma course, but there was no job assistant. Like there was no help upfront. They were like, okay, you're done, you look for yourself.
How did you decide to get into non-clinical? I mean, how did you find, and how were you able to make a decision?
Initially, it was about just health management. I was just planning for health management, hospital management. Then later, after surfing internet, and when my friend joined and he introduced me to this Academically and MSL course, after then I found out about the MSL. Before that, I only knew about Pharmacovigilance and hospital management are the only two, and public health were the only three non-clinical jobs I felt. Then later, when there were so many opportunities, I thought, okay, this is a good option for me.
And you got your first job during your course.
Yeah.
That's very good actually, right?
Yeah.
How do you feel about that?
I'm very happy, and I'm very thankful to the Almighty of the doctors.
What is your expectation in the future from Academically?
My whole trust is on Academically, right? I believe people like it. People are helping out of your way, and you're doing all these things.
Are you confident? Are you confident that you will get a good job with Academically?
I'm very confident of this.
So tell me about if you have done any certification course.
Yes, sir. I've done a certification course in medical affairs, as a medical science liaison from Academically Global, Australia.
Tell me a little bit about this.
Sir, actually academically started by Dr. Akram Ahmed. He resides in Australia right now. He's a pharmacist, and the course is about the medical. The course is all about the roles and responsibilities of a medical science liaison. Medical science liaison is the what do you call it? The scientific exchange between the pharmaceutical company and the KOLs, key opinion leaders. Key opinion leaders are doctors, healthcare professionals, which are very popular in the market.
Very good answer. Very good. So, what was the curriculum of this certification course?
Basically, we had modules. We had 8 modules. 8 different modules. We studied about the various. We studied about how medical affairs works, the functioning of a pharmaceutical company, and we had studied about pharmacovigilance as well, and we studied about the roles and responsibilities of an MSL. We studied about how to engage with the KOL, what are the different things, or what are the different things by which we can engage with the KOL, and what are the rules, what are the protocols of engaging with the KOL.
So you said you have also done capstone. What do you mean by capstone?
Capstone is it was basically an assignment given to us, sir. To put it the right way, I'll call it an assignment. Okay. An assignment of assignment. Yes, sir. Assignment can be about drugs. Assignment can be about engaging with the KOL. Everything that was about capstone, sir. That was capstone.
So
yes.
I am interested in knowing about what is your feedback about this Academically.
I just have to say one thing. If we did a course with Academically, we are sure we'll get a job somewhere. We'll get placed for sure.
Thank you, Salman. That is very good.